Okay, your artwork for the art galleries at Foodtown or the Haldane Everyday Art Gallery are almost done. You added all your finishing touches, you feel like it's your very best effort, now it's time to add a title. Let me show you how. Okay, so I am using a piece of just regular old printer paper. Mine is recycled, so it has something on the back. And I'm going to cut the short end of the printer paper off. You can use a ruler to make this nice and straight. And you kind of want to have like 2 inches of space. So about this big all the way across. Doesn't have to be perfect though. Give yourself enough space to write your title on the top and then your name and class number. So I'm gonna make a line with my pencil. I'm gonna cut it. And now I'm ready to write. Now for our littlest learners, it might be helpful to split this in half and draw yourself a line to separate the title from your name. Okay, so the title is gonna go up the top. This is what you're gonna call your artwork. It can be a title that explains what you drew, or it can be a little bit more mysterious. So say I called my artwork The Big Smelly Cheese. I'm gonna make sure all of my first letters of my words are uppercase or capitalized. So the big smelly cheese. Try to write nice and big so that your title goes almost all the way across the piece of paper. And I know my letters aren't touching the line. As long as your word is in that section, that's good. Now you're going to start with by and then put your whole name. So like Frank Smith. I'm going to put Miss Branco because my first name is a secret. Miss Branco. And then you're going to want to put your class number. Your class number is your grade plus the first letter of your teacher's last name. So if you're in Mr. Paparo's class, you're going to put a 2P. Okay? Now you can make this fancy by tracing it with a marker or another colorful material. My marker is very thick, so it might not be the best choice, but you can find a thinner marker. Make sure your words are nice and clear so that people can read them when your artwork is hanging up at school. Now, once you've got this done, you can attach this to your artwork in any way that you want. You can glue it, you can tape it, you can staple it, as long as it's on there nice and sturdy so that when you deliver it to school, it doesn't fall off. All right, good luck and stay tuned for more information about how to drop off your artwork.